Hello everyone. Our next lecture is the strings are immutable. So immutable means strings cannot be changed by the address. For example, here is written as the name is equals to Sam. If the S is equals to has the index 0, A, 1 and M address is 2. So we cannot directly change name address 0 is equals to B. So once we defined write our string, so it is fixed. When we change, then it occurs error by item assignment. So we can change by the concatenation assignment with the string. So we will see in code how we can concatenate in a string. So our next topic is how to print the string. So we can simply print the string as by writing a print statement with the hello with the example if my name is Joe, for example, uh, I can write in simple in a print by the double quotations the statement of the string and we can enter and we can check the how what is the result. So there are multiple ways of the to format the strings for printing variables in them. This is known as a string interpolation. So let's explore the two methods of the strings. Printing string, one is the dot format method and the other one is the F format method. So this is F format method is a root version. So let's come on to the IDLE in a program window and we will check how we will print as a SAM, SAM SAM. So if we check what is in name, so it is a SAM. So if I directly assign, if I directly change S with another letter, for example P, so if I write here like name and its first address is 0. So S address is 0 and A address is 1 and M address is 2. So this is the item assignment or each letter assignment, address assignment in the SAM. So for example, if we change the first letter with the P, so we cannot change directly because strings are immutable. So therefore, how we can change if we want to change? So we can concatenate. How we can concatenate? For example, um, the last name, sorry, the last name is equals to I am using here another variable. So name. So it false like it's equal to name and from 1 to I'm calling the other except S I'm calling the other letters. So this is the address. If I want to check what is in the last name, so it shows M. So this is actually the slicing. So we will see what is the slicing in next lecture. So one to other. One column means from first address to all the other addresses can be printed or can be assigned in the last name. Okay, so it is Sam except zero address. So other letters are A and M. So they are now assigned in last name. Example, I want to add in place of I want to add P in place of S. So we can write here P in inverted commas plus last name. Last name. So this is spam. So in this way, in concatenation, we can change string. Otherwise, strings are immutable. Strings cannot be changed by the address. Okay. So other Okay. Now we can work on the printing formats. There are, as we discussed in the presentation, so we can work on the dot format for the printing of the string and the F format. So first we work on the dot format. So if we want to write a comment, so here we can dot FOR format. So hash means here is a comment. If we want to comment one single line, so we can comment by placing the hash in the front of the statement. So, for example, I can print here, print and small brackets, and this is string, for example, and the curly brackets and close with the marks dot format, and again small bracket and there's a string. So inserted, INSER will be inserted, quotation over and bracket over and statement over. So what it uh, how it works, dot format. Dot format means if we place empty brackets here, and after dot format, what we write in this bracket, that is inserted in this empty bracket. So here is, this is the string inserted. Inserted is was in the dot format, that is directly placed in the empty bracket. For example, we can also write, for example, print and inverted commas, name of the animals are, and for example, I want to colon. So one, I want to write three names. One bracket, second bracket, empty, third bracket, and colon over dot FORM dot format. And I can write here, for example, ox, then comma, dog means sorry, comma means it separates the second string from the first string. Dog, then third name is, for example, cat. So, and bracket over and bracket over. So this is how we can, this is printed according to the given sequence: fox, dog, and cat. There are empty first fox comes in first empty bracket, then dog in second empty bracket, and cat in the third empty bracket. For example, if we uh, want to cat first, dog second, and fox third, we can assign the address. Alt P, we can assign here. For example, the fox address is 0, dog address is 1, and cat address is 2. So if we want to print cat first, then dog second, and last we can want to print fox. If we enter, we can check. Then if we place an empty brackets the addresses, then it print according to addresses. So for example, if we want to assign our own variable on the, for example, fox is equals, f is equals to fox, and d is equals to dog, and c is equals to cat. So we can, if we want to print dog first, then cat second, and fox in the last. So enter and check. This is printed according to the given items in the empty brackets. For example, name is equals to Hira, and her age, for example, age is equals to 25, and university is equals to, uni is equals to, for example, UT. So UT. So we can write here print F, print F, comma, inverted comma, my example here, name and is with age and working in unit. Okay. Here we can, in this way, we can work on the F format. So here is 25 working in UT. So this is the F format and it is improved version of the dot format. So in this way, we can work on the different formats of the printing in the Python. So this is the, okay. In this lecture, we have studied that how we can concatenate the string and how we can, because strings are mutable, we cannot directly change them by the addresses. So we can concatenate them. So another is we have worked on the printing format. One is the dot format and the other one is the F format. So this is it in this lecture and thank you very much.